Alright, so hey guys, in this video I want to show you guys how you could sign up for Coinbase and actually buy cryptocurrencies. You could buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, along with some other cryptocurrencies. And the thing is with Coinbase, when you sign up you actually get $40 in cryptocurrencies when you sign up just for watching a couple of videos. As you can see here, you get $5 in free Bitcoin as well. So how do you sign up? Basically, you go to coinbase.com. I'll put the link in the bio, and you just type in your email here where you see get started. So for this video, I'll just use a fake email for this one because I'm not really going to sign up. I'm just going to show you guys how it works, right? So you get an email here. You just copy the email. For you, you'd use your actual email. I already have an account, so you guys just have to use your actual email. All right, so you just paste that email there, press get started. Then you're gonna fill it out with all the necessary information that you need to fill out. So let's just use a random name. Right, then we just paste by that email. Then from there we would have to just make a password, right? Then you just pick your state that you live in. So let's say we live in Oklahoma. Just press I certify that I'm 18 years old, and then you just create an account. And from there, once you click create account, it's gonna prompt you to actually verify this account, right? And the way how you do that is by uploading your personal information. So like your state ID, and along with, they probably ask for your social security number as well. And yeah, I think so. But let's verify it in our email. So they sent us an email to verify the account. So once we verify this account, we have to secure the account. So it's gonna ask you to set up two-factor authorization. It's gonna send something to your number. So for me now, let me see if I have like a number I could use that isn't my actual number. So let's add a number here. So 94681. So continue. Then they're gonna send you a 7-digit code, right? Once you receive that 7-digit code, all you'd have to do is enter that 7-digit code that you received. So I'm here waiting on my code. I guess because this isn't an actual number, this is actually just a secondary app that I use. So maybe they won't send the code to that number, but it's pretty simple. Once you receive the code, then from there, they're gonna ask you for your they're gonna ask to verify your identity. How do you verify your identity? All you're going to do is just go and give them the information they want. So they may want a state ID, your driver's license, a passport, something like that, and they may want your social security number as well. So once you give them that information, they'll verify your account, and your account will be open to use Coinbase, right? And from there, basically you could earn free cryptos by just having a Coinbase account, right? So if I click earn rewards, you're gonna see like some courses that's gonna actually teach you. I actually already did some of the courses, but if you click on it, you could actually see for yourself that I earned $2 from this one. So I think because I'm logged out, I can't show you guys yet. So let's sign in again. So yeah, that's how you sign up for coinbase.com, so you can buy several different cryptocurrencies, and also sell them as well. So yeah, from there, all you have to do is just make your account, get it verified. Once you get it verified, then you'll have access to the platform. Once you have access to the platform, that's where you could start earning the $40. In the next video, I'm going to make a short tutorial on how you could earn the $40 through Coinbase. But if you want to sign up for Coinbase right now and stuff, all you have to do is just click the link in the description. I do get an incentive each time somebody signs up, but it also helps you in the long run as well when you make other people sign up. I think it's like $10 per sign up. So yeah. And if you like content like this, just like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what other type of content you like to see, and I'll get it done for you guys. So yeah, have a great day.